Hey guys, welcome back to Mybartender. Today we'll be making the AMF. This drink is usually served in a hurricane or highball glass. Today we'll be using a hurricane glass. First, add ice to the hurricane glass. We'll be using equal parts vodka, gin, rum, tequila, triple sec, and blue curaçao. Half ounce of vodka. Half ounce of gin. Half ounce of rum. Half ounce of tequila. Half ounce of triple sec. Half ounce of blue curaçao. Two ounces of sweet and sour mix. Use a bar spoon to stir. And finally, top with Sprite. And optionally garnish with a lemon wedge. And enjoy.